Hey everyone, it's Andy and Trai from 2 Expats. Today, we're giving you the lowdown on why we absolutely love the Chase Sapphire Reserve travel credit card and why we would never cancel it.
Spoiler alert, this card is packed with perks, saves us tons of money on every trip, and has made traveling so much more fun and stress-free. So if you want to level up your travel game and see how you can make the most of your money, stick around.
Besides the Chase Sapphire Reserve, we've got two more killer travel cards to share with you. Stick around until the end and we'll show you how to stack two welcome offers for up to 180,000 points.
But before we dive into all the juicy details, go ahead and smash that like button, hit subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss any of our travel tips, hacks, and adventures. Let's get started.
First, let's talk about perks. The Chase Sapphire Reserve is not just a travel credit card, it's the travel card. Each year, cardholders receive a $300 annual travel credit. This is automatic, no hassle, and it covers all sorts of travel expenses from flights and hotels to car rentals and public transportation. That $300 knocks the effective annual fee down from $550 to just $250 right out of the gate.
And if you're worried about travel insurance, this card has you covered. You get trip cancellation and interruption insurance, primary car rental insurance, delayed baggage reimbursement, and even medical evacuation coverage. For just one card, that's pretty insane. We used the trip delay insurance to get reimbursed for hotels and meals during our flight delays, a total lifesaver.
Let's not forget about one of the best perks, the free access to Priority Pass airport lounges. With over 1,300 lounges worldwide, you get access to free food, drinks, and a comfy place to relax while waiting for your flight. It's a game changer, especially on long layovers. We've used this benefit to chill in luxury lounges across Europe, the US, and even Asia.
And it doesn't stop there. Some lounges even offer restaurant credits, which means free meals at select airport restaurants. We're talking about dining like a boss before you even get on the plane. So yes, this perk alone is worth the annual fee in our opinion.
Now let's talk about points and rewards, the real reason this card shines. You earn 3 times points on travel and dining and 1 times on everything else. But here's the kicker, when you book travel through the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal, you get a 50% point boost. So your points go further when you redeem for flights, hotels, cruises, and more.
We've used this to book tons of free flights and hotel stays. For example, we recently redeemed points for a round-trip flight to Tulum and 1 free night at a luxury hotel in Miami before our last cruise. If you're a foodie or travel often, these points rack up fast.
And speaking of points, you can transfer them one for one to top airline and hotel partners like United, Southwest, Hyatt, and British Airways. The flexibility is what makes this card unbeatable. We love transferring to Hyatt for those free nights in incredible hotels that otherwise would cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars.
And don't forget the transfer bonuses Chase often offers. Sometimes you can even get more value when transferring points to certain airlines or hotel programs. That's just more bang for your buck and a huge reason we're never letting go of this card.
Next, let's talk about savings beyond the points. If you ever have a travel mishap, this card's insurance protections are next level. We've personally filed claims for trip delays where we got reimbursed for meals and hotel stays when our flight was canceled, and once we even used the baggage delay insurance to buy clothes and toiletries while waiting for our luggage.
We've also seen firsthand the benefit of medical evacuation and emergency medical insurance, which can save you thousands of dollars in hospital bills abroad. Whether it's a minor incident or more serious medical evacuation, this card has your back.
One of my favorite perks is the Global Entry or TSA PreCheck fee credit. This is a $100 value every 4 years, and it saves you so much time and hassle going through the airport security. We breeze through the lines now, and I don't know how we traveled without it.
And don't forget about the DoorDash credits and Lyft partnership that gives you extra points and discounts. We use the DoorDash credits for takeout all the time, and the Lyft partnership helps us earn extra points while getting around town. It's all these little perks that add up to big savings.
So why would we never cancel this card? It's simple. The benefits far outweigh the annual fee. From the automatic $300 travel credit, VIP lounge access, top-tier travel insurance, and generous point earning system, to all the extra perks like global entry credits and food delivery discounts, this card pays for itself several times over.
Plus, the peace of mind it gives us while traveling is priceless. The protections alone make it worth keeping, but the incredible rewards, VIP experiences, and ease of use seal the deal. We honestly couldn't imagine our travels without it.
So there you have it. That's why the Chase Sapphire Reserve is our go-to travel credit card and why we would never cancel it. If you're looking for a card that truly elevates your travel experience while saving you a ton of money and hassle, this is it.
Before we wrap up, as promised, we also want to highlight that in the past week, Chase has added the $300 travel credit to its beginner travel credit card, the Chase Sapphire Preferred. This card also comes with a 60,000 point bonus, but only a $95 versus $550 annual fee. So if you're on the fence to snag that reserve, get started with the Preferred card and then upgrade later. That's actually what I did back in 2016 when this card launched. We also recently learned that you can apply for a business credit card like the Chase Inc. Business Preferred with any business activity like an Etsy store or online business. You don't even have to have a separate business structure like an LLC or a corporation. It can be a sole proprietorship.
And with just a $95 annual fee, we recently scored 120,000 bonus points last month, adding this card to our wallet. Although keep in mind these offers are constantly changing and business cards typically require a higher spend to earn the bonus points. To check current offers, we'll add links to each of these cards in the description and comments.
Well, that's a wrap for this video highlighting our favorite travel credit cards. What are your thoughts on the Chase Sapphire Reserve, Preferred, or your favorite card? Drop a comment below and feel free to ask us any questions.
And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss any of our future travel tips and hacks. For more ways to save, check out the videos we've curated for you in the Watch Next section of the description. Head over to our website at 2gayexpats.com/travel-tips and follow us on social media at 2gayexpats.
We also want to thank our channel members and patrons. We greatly appreciate your support.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure.